Morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to pack for a trip. As packing is not gonna be a long video, I decided to do what's in my bag and what's in my purse in the same video. I'm gonna start with what to pack. Everything I'm gonna show you here is gonna be the same for every trip, just you change the items. Like the basic stays the same, but you change the clothes. Depends on the summer destination and a winter destination. If it's a winter destination, you include your coat. If it's a summer destination, you include your bikini and flip-flops. This is a winter destination, so I have my coat with me. Starting with this pretty baby. I love the fur and you can take it off. It's so soft. I'm gonna start showing you the things that are always the same. They never change, which is my skincare bag. I have all my skincare here. I don't know how they fit, but they fit. I need a bigger one. So, my toiletry bag. It has, this is a tool for scalp massage. I don't know what's the name of it. Hair oil, a brush, some hair ties, hair fire, sheet mask, and a perfume. Something that you find in this pouch in the inside: toothbrush and a toothpaste, and a mouthwash. Put this here so I don't have to pack all over again later, because I'm already on layover and I wanted to show you what I have. Starting with eye shades. This is for the hair when I sleep, so it doesn't get too oily. It protects the hair. It does protect my hair, and it doesn't break as much as it was. It's scrunchie. Look how cute it is. This is a normal pink scrunchie. This bag has all my laundry items, shoes, and I have another one for the shoes I'm wearing. Makeup bag, beauty blender protector. This is my beauty blender. I don't really use it much, but I just put it there in case. Makeup brushes, only the essential ones. This pouch, I think it has thermal stockings, gloves, believe it or not, I forgot the name of this. I forget the names of things out of nowhere. These are the bags for the shoes. This one from Shane and this one from No. You can see the difference. These ones later, one I'm gonna stock in it my shoes, and the other one I'm gonna do my dirty laundry in it. Just gonna show you the top because it's gonna take me some time to pack it all in again. It's so fluffy. My pyjama, and this is it. So cute. It has little bears. This is the only winter pyjama, believe it or not. But this is the only winter pyjama I have. Usually whenever I go to a cold country, I just set the AC to like 24 and I wear my normal pyjamas. It does take some time to toss it in, but it's better because it keeps it all organized. Especially for London flights, because London flights we get randomly picked and some of our suitcases get shared. I really love these packing cubes because if they open my suitcase, it's gonna be nice and neat. Okay. This one has my clothes. I packed lots of things, but I only used one outfit of it. This is a basic t-shirt, jeans, the generic t-shirt, black stocking. This is a black jean. I'm not a big fan of this one, to be honest. I just wore it twice. It's stretchy and everything, but it, you know, everything gets stuck in it. This is it for what I packed, because I only have 24 hours, so I don't need too many things. Actually, this is all the things that you need in your trip. You can always find a hairdryer in the hotel that you are staying in. If you are staying for more days, you can always add more outfits. Cabin bag, I always have my waistcoat in it. This is my cabin shoes. My oven gloves. For winter destination, this is my own. They don't provide it with a uniform, but I like to have mine, especially if you fly to cold destinations. We are allowed to wear leather red gloves. And it has this little flower so you can touch the screen. I have my pajama. We use this in long flights, but I always carry it with me because you never know what happens. And here, my duty-free pouch. This bag, I always carry it with me whenever I am in uniform. It's mandatory to carry it with you. And I have most of my necessary stuff in it. My ID, of course, my travel documents. I forgot I got this one, which reminds me I need to change my documents to a new pouch. I'm gonna change them in a new one. It's the same, just this one has become quite old. Look at this one. It already took his time. Bye-bye. My notebook. In here, I get all my notes. Every flight, we always need to know the captain's name, the first officer's name, my purser's name, my colleagues' names. And I keep track with everything that goes on the flight here. If I'm doing galley operator, I take my special meals in here. Service when, second service when. Flying hours, paperwork, I put them in here so I don't forget about them. If I have specific instructions, I put them in here. Tank altitude, high value customers. So if we have any medicals or anything that I need to know of, I put it in here with their seat numbers, so I know who I have in my cabin and if there is anything, how I can deal with it. My credit cards, always an extra scrunchie. This is not mandatory to wear, but I love to wear it. Then, of course, look how cute is this. The bag is divided to multiple ones. This one, my documents, my ID. This one, whatever I showed you now. And here, concealer for touching up my makeup. I had a nail polish yesterday in my bag and it went all over the place. I tried to clean as much as I can until I get my hands on a nail polish remover. With lipstick, this is my favorite. It's Tunisian brand Lilla. Colsi is Tunisian brand too. One, it's Colsi too. I don't know how I have them all Tunisian brands here, but I used so many red lipsticks and I ended up with these three. Okay, in the next pouch I have a book, hand cream. I always do it, especially, okay, this is a cheap perfume and it's getting out of control. I need to throw this away. It's like Olympia, but of course definitely it's a dupe, but it stays for long. And always an extra watch. You find this little pouch. I have, oh, this is my old name badge. I always have this, I don't know why. This was my first name badge, I had my nickname in it. But I changed between this to this. It represents me more. And it sounds better, Mariam. Better than Ria. And I have my earrings. I'm more of a gold girl than a silver girl. I don't know how that changed with time, but I always loved silver jewelry. Now I love gold more. That's all what I have in my bag. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you would like to see anything else, let me know.